afternoon viewers, welcome to Balghari kitchen after a long time. I once again welcome you in Balghari kitchen. Today I'm going to make something with beef. So today I'm going to make beef chili oyster sauce. So keep watching Balghari kitchen, do subscribe Balghari kitchen, share to friends and family, and thank you for watching Balghari kitchen. So I'm going to make now beef chili oyster sauce in Balghari kitchen. Watch the full video, don't skip, so you can learn how to cook this one. So I'm going to take you to my kitchen where I prepare all the ingredients. So let me take you to my kitchen. So viewers, here I have already cut some beef in julienne, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, some spring onion, some carrots, oyster sauce, white onion, green chili, vegetable cooking oil, sugar, black pepper, salt, and garlic, and some corn flour I'm going to use to make the sauce. So keep watching Balghari kitchen for this beautiful recipe. Viewers, let's start our cooking. Take one frying pan, make it hot. When it's getting hot, it's almost hot, adding oil, garlic, saute the garlic for 30 seconds, then add the beef, saute also together with the garlic. Oh, very nice aroma. Adding some pepper, some salt into it. Stir fry it nicely until it's 60% cooked. You can see the beef. Very nice flavor, nice aroma. Wow. Now almost the beef is cooked. I'm going to remove it and put in the pan again. Remove from the heat. And using same pan with the garlic, adding a little bit more garlic, and adding white onion, stir-fry white onion, add the bell pepper, red, yellow also, and you can add also your carrot, and then you can add the chili. Cook, stir fry until it's tender. The vegetables are very fast tender, so you don't need to cook longer. Let's stir fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Stir fry continuously 1 to 2 minutes until it's tender vegetables. Now add our beef again. It's time to add the sauce also. Adding oyster sauce. And pinch of sugar. Black pepper into it. Some salt. And then add the spring onion as well. And then mix together all. So very easy and very quick stir fry. You can serve this one with any kind of rice. I love to eat with white rice. So I'm going to take this one with white rice. You can add with garlic fried rice, or chicken fried rice, or vegetable fried rice, or any kind of rice you can use. I always love stir fry cooking, so because it's like healthy and quick cooking. Keep cooking for 2 to 3 minutes. Adding a little bit corn flour into it to make it sauce thicker. And then quickly stir fry. All the sauce coated with the vegetables and beef. almost our stir fry, almost our beef chili oyster sauce is ready. We are going to serve this one with white rice. So keep watching always Balghari Kitchen for upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe and share to friends and family. So you can have different kind of cuisine: Chinese, Thai, Italian, Mongolian, Mexican, Pakistani, Filipino, different version of cooking. I'm going to cook in Balghari Kitchen. So viewers, our beef is almost ready. So I'm going to serve this one. So viewers, I'm going to serve this one with white rice. I'm going to pour the white rice, and then I'm going to add my beef on the side like this way. So you have very nice beef. You have very nice beef chili oyster sauce with rice. Add some here also. Look at this, viewers. So viewers, look at beautiful beef chili oyster sauce is ready. I'm going to taste that. Let's take with the rice. Oh my goodness, it's like very, very delicious. Let's take some, and some rice as well. It's quite hot. I can't stop tasting. Wow, I cannot say anything. You are the one say. It's really delicious and mouth-watering. So if you want to make this recipe in your kitchen, so subscribe Balghari Kitchen, share to friends and family, and don't forget to give your beautiful comments in comment section. And thank you very much for watching Balghari Kitchen for such amazing dishes. So keep always watching Balghari Kitchen. Have a great day. Thank you for watching Balghari Kitchen. See you in next videos. So stay tuned always. Keep watching Balghari Kitchen always. Thank you.
Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music.